What's up, Sripol people? Today, we got another problem to solve. Every Halloween, the art of dressing up like a psychopath, going door to door, soliciting candy from strangers, is a thing for some reason. Now, there are two types of people. Actually, are there three? Yeah, there's three types of people. Three types of people. People that hand out candy when the kids come knocking the door.
Oh, look at your little costumes. What are you supposed to be?
People that don't give out candy. And people that leave out buckets of candy for children to take. Now, the third type of person leaves the buckets out, and they usually put a sign that says, take just one piece. Now, people aren't the best listeners, and people aren't always the nicest. So what do? They take the whole freaking bucket and run away with it. Needless to say, your fellow human beings are kind of trash. So, we're gonna change their attitudes, and their hearts, and their minds, and their hands with some science. Sam! Where's the bucket? We had a discussion of what we wanted to do. Sam actually designed this, so you talk about it.
Okay, so what this is it has an Arduino here, and the Arduino... Then it opens up.
Okay, so Sam has gone on how it works. Let's see an actual demo.
So now if you take a piece... Oh, wait. That's a bad idea. Safety goggles. So now if you take a piece...
Okay, so we're gonna set this in here as our analog. I take one piece of candy, nothing happens. So now I take too much candy, and this...
1, you're fine. 3, your hand is fine.
A few days ago, we actually built this thing. We went to our friend Travis, who's working on this new CAD software. We actually use this new CAD software called JetCam to design this thing up. And we cut it out on his new plasma cutter and assembled it in just a day.
That works.
That is bad. So now that this thing is built, functioning, and all good to go, it is time to find some No, I think we're gonna... Are we gonna destroy things or take it to the kids first? What should
Show
we do?
some kids.
All right, we have some kids here to volunteer to see what they think about this experiment. But first, safety glasses. You guys need to put these on.
Okay.
One right, you?
I look like Elf. You look funny.
Okay, I have a question for all of you. If you saw this bucket out on a porch and it said take one piece of candy, how many would you realistically take? You take 5? Yes, high five. You're my man. So watch what happens. I take one piece of candy and it says take just one. I'm fine. Now watch what happens when I take more than 5. It's really fast.
That's probably dangerous.
This could also be your hand. You take more than 5? This could be your hand.
Oh God.
There are rules to follow. Holy crap, dude. I'll actually give you guys some candy now. Hang on. Oh, just don't get some candy. Okay, here you go. Thank you for being in my video.
That's candy.
So now that those children have PTSD, destruction montage. But I guess, long story short, what Sam has done here, load cell, Arduino, relay, USB power, air compressor, and then it fires this big pneumatic piston cylinder of death. So anyway.
It broke back. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's nasty.
Sam or no Sam?
No
like this anymore.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The hand slicer dicer 5-finger discounter 9000. I guess if this is on a porch, actually I think our data was a little inconclusive. It looks like the kids still would put their hands in this, even after knowing full and well what this thing would do to their hands. So, this is a bust. Halloween's canceled. Don't leave candy out for kids. If you're gonna do that, you just gotta hand it to them. That's probably the easiest way. And this is probably a lawsuit in the making. Anyways, happy late Halloween! Yeah.